Our news this noon, Dane County Judge Maryann Sumi has voided the controversial collective bargaining law. Political reporter Jessica ARP joins us live from the state capitol with the very latest. Jess?
Well, lawmakers are still digesting the ruling this morning, but it does mean two things for sure. The collective bargaining law has been struck down, and the issue will go to the Supreme Court. The decision was made in a written ruling by Judge Maryann Sumi today that Republican lawmakers violated open meetings law when they voted on the controversial collective bargaining law on March 9th, saying there was no Assembly or Senate rule that would excuse not complying with a public notice requirement. Representative Peter Barco, who was claiming open meetings violations the night of the vote, calls this a win for taxpayers, but the governor says this issue isn't over yet.
It's a huge win for democracy in Wisconsin. It sets a precedent that from this point forward, anytime the legislature is meeting, the people shall have a seat at the table. And that's as it should be.
Why not just have the legislature renotice it, go in, pass it, done deal?
That may be one of the options considered. Again, I think because the Supreme Court is still looking to take findings on this and to hear detailed information on that, it'll take us some time to see how that interacts. But for today, it'll probably be more a matter of trying to sort out the ruling and what the next step is.
Now, the Department of Administration also released a statement today saying that they would continue to pursue Supreme Court action on this case. They are scheduled to hear arguments on whether they should take the case on June 6th. But now the big question is whether legislative leaders will do as they said they would in the past and put this collective bargaining provision into the larger full budget. The Joint Finance Committee is in session today. We will have more on this coming up tonight on News 3 at 6.
Jessica ARP reporting live from the state capitol. Jess, thanks.